Salut, bienvenue, welcome. My name is Joe Young, and today I would like to talk about how to get your focus and creativity back in a world of distraction. I think we live in the world today where the attention is the real deal. The attention is stuck in social media, in the news, in everything to get our attention, and we are in the era of the war of attention. And if you really want to get your focus back, your concentration, your capacity to be creative, to create something, to get more from your life and not just spend your day scrolling on social media, comparing yourself to others and trying to find your way to life. If you don't know me, I'm an entrepreneur for now 15 years and I'm in France. I live in France. I'm a French Caribbean guy. And today I would like to share my experience with the world, in English. You can hear my French accent. I'm trying to do this video to work on my English too, to speak better English. I have a French YouTube channel with thousands of subscribers, and today I would like to share my message with the world in English. So today I would like to talk about something really important for us. Our time. And our time now is distracted. I was born in the late 80s and I have lived without internet. I know the world without all this distraction, but I know today it's really a struggle for us because we always want this dopamine shot with the likes, with the social media, with everything. It's impossible today to get bored. It's impossible today to do nothing. We always ask yourself how I can distract myself. I can go at Netflix, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, and the algorithm make us really stuck in this and make the best to keep our attention. And today, if you want to build this business, if you want to get free in your life, if you want to change your job, if you want to create something meaningful, we have to get back this attention, get back this energy, get back this time to create. And here are my advices, because I work in the productivity game for like more than 15 years, and I know how to avoid to get stuck in the waste of time. So the first thing to change is switch from no value content consuming to high value content consuming. It means we replace the short formats with the books. Instead of going to social media scrolling, just open a book. Have your Kindle with you. Have your smartphone with the application Kindle. Listen to an audiobook. When you get bored, just don't go to social media addiction. You just need to go to something useful. You don't need a dopamine detox if you're not tox. If you're always scrolling on social media, if you build a habit to your brain to get some easy food, easy victory, easy success, achievement, to get this always dopamine shots, it will ask for more. So the first thing you have to do is change this habit. Don't keep your phone with you all the time. Remove social media and replace with books, or long format video or podcast or audiobooks. If you have to work on something, turn your notification off and go deep work. And it's really important for me, the morning when I work on my most important task, I just turn my notification off. I don't look to my emails, social media, and everything during the morning. The first things I do is about getting my life moving and my business moving. So it's not about just reacting. Get out from this reaction mode. Just go to the proaction mode. And to be proactive, you have to set goals. You have to set limits. You have to set limits to your consumption. As a creator, my limit is if I consume like 15% of my time I spent in consuming content, I have to spend 50% of my time creating content. If you are a consumer, you have to be a creator. Just spend all your time consuming. You have to create something. And you have to balance everything. Because we need the inspiration. You have to consume something useful, as I said, books and some things that nourish our soul, our mind, our skills. It's really important. But after that, you have to get some goals and to put on your agenda an engagement to follow this goal. Discipline beats motivation. You don't have to be motivated to move. You have to be disciplined. You have to make some engagement with yourself. Don't wait for the motivation to come, but do the things and make it a habit. And the motivation will follow. Take some time to breathe, to meditate. Take some time with yourself. Take some time to get bored sometime. Just do nothing. Take some vacation and do nothing. Because we don't have the time now, we don't take the time to do nothing. We live in a world when we feel like we always have to go fast, to do something, to adopt the hustler culture, and it's exhausting. We don't have to do all these things. Just sometimes, just slow down, take a breath, be in the moment, be present, and act more with consciousness about the things you do. And when we eat, be more conscious about the food we eat. It's always important to be more present. We don't have to act like an NPC in video games. You need to take the control of your life by being more present in your body and your mind. The more time you spend writing, journaling, reading, creating, thinking about what you want to achieve, the more you are in proactive mode, the more you move in your life, the more you build something that is meaningful for you, the less you need dopamine detox because you are not tox. Because if you do a dopamine detox, you spend 1 week without this dopamine shot, and after you take the bad habits come back in your life, it's just will be a waste of time. It's like food. You can go to junk food sometime, but not all the time. You can go to social media, you can scroll, you can be distracted, but not all the time. You have to put your limits, put your habits, and be disciplined. And that will really change your game. That's my advices for today. If you want me to go deeper of some point, do not hesitate to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm started this new YouTube channel to help more people in the English mode, trying to improve my English, to share some knowledges. So I hope it will be helpful for you. And you can also subscribe to my newsletter. You have the link in the description if you want to get some advices about productivity, of finding your flow in life, and more advices to improve yourself, to level up in life and businesses. I wish you the best. À très bientôt. Bye bye.